Good morning, children. Today I will teach you biology. Under biology, my topic for today will be menstruation. Then, what is menstruation? Menstruation is the cyclic discharge of blood, mucus at an interval of 28 plus minus 4 days during the reproductive period of a woman. It is the cyclic discharge of blood and mucus at an interval of 28 plus minus 4. I mean to say the date may be varied in the form of 28 plus minus 4 means it may be in 24 days or it may be in 32 days. This range 28 plus minus 4 is average for the menstruation cycle, and it happens whole the reproductive life of a woman in every month at an interval of 28 plus minus 4 days. What is reproductive life? Reproductive life of a woman starts from menarche until menopause. What is menarche? Menarche is the onset of menstruation, means menstrual cycle, first menstrual cycle when a girl suffer from first menstrual cycle. That first stage of menstruation in a girl is known as menarche. And what is menopause? Menopause is the stage when menstrual cycle stops. Generally, menarche starts at the age of 12 to 15. It may start at the age of 12 or in between 12 and 15 menarche will be started, and it will be, menstruation will be stopped in between 45 to 55 years. When an woman will occupy or will attain the age of 45, in between 45 to 55, then it will be stopped. Means a woman may enjoy reproductive life at the from age of 12 to age of 55. It is the reproductive period of a woman. We understood menarche and menopause. Now, the lasting period, menstruation generally lasts 3 to 7 days in every month. It may be 3 days or it may be 7 days. It is the average day of menstruation, and it will stop during pregnancy, breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is known as lactation period. When pregnancy will occur, then at that period menstruation will be stopped, because during pregnancy the uterus utilize the blood vessels or the blood which is released, because according to necessity of the body it is absorbed by the uterus. That's why menstruation does not occur, and during lactation period also there is more requirement of blood in blood vessels. That's why during lactation period also menstruation does not occur. Now, what is amenorrhea? Amenorrhea is the stage when there is lack of menstruation, means during reproductive period I mean to say 12 to 55, if it will not happen, means menstruation will not happen in the life of a woman, that stage of lacking of menstruation is known as amenorrhea. And what is dysmenorrhea? Dysmenorrhea is the profuse menstruation or painful menstruation. If menstruation is painful or profuse blood will come then during menstrual period, then that stage of painful and profuse menstruation is known as dysmenorrhea. In each, why it occurs, menstruation why occurs? In each and every month before menstrual period, ovary release a ovum, and when ovum will be fertilized by the sperm in oviduct or in fallopian tube, then menstruation will not occur. But when it will not be, means ovum will not be fertilized by sperm in the oviduct, then at an interval of 28 plus minus 4 days, that unfertilized egg or ovum as well as the blood and mucus which is in the blood vessel in the uterus will be released from the body of an woman during the reproductive life. It was my topic, my dear children, menstruation. I will give you some question on my topic which you will do in your copy. Thank you.